Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من أنفق زوجين من شيء من الأشياء في سبيل الله دعي من أبواب الجنة وللجنة أبواب فمن كان من أهل الصلاة دعي من باب الصلاة ومن كان من أهل الجهاد دعي من باب الجهاد ومن كان من أهل الصدقة دعي من باب الصدقة. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates this hadith is muttafaq alayh. Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim has mentioned this hadith. Hazrat Abu Hurairah narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has said, whoever donate at the pair of anything in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, fi sabilillah, in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal. Zawjaini min al-ashyai. Zawjain means a pair. Now the ulama says that a pair means here could be that day and night, the time. So someone who donates in daytime and night time. It could be the ilaniya and sirran, donating in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal openly and secretly. And could be a pair of things mean like 2 pounds, any, like for example 2 bread or anything in twos. So zawjain min al ashya, that's why husband and wife are called zawjain, because they are pair. So whoever donates zawjain min al ashya, whoever donates the pair of things in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal, du'iya min abwabil Jannah, he will be called from the door of Jannah. So now Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there are many doors of Jannah. There are many doors of Jannah. The one who will be from the people of Salah, the one who will perform extra nawafil Salah despite fulfilling the other fara'id, and he always is keen of performing extra Salah, performing extra nawafil after fulfilling the fara'id. So there is a door of Jannah which is called the Babu Salat. So the angel wanted to call him from that door so they can get the blessing of that person because he is from the people of Salat. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Walil Jannati abwabun. There are many abwab, many doors of Jannah. So faman kana min ahli salati du'iya min babi salat. So the person who will be from the people of Salah, that means that he fulfills all fara'id, but the Salah is more dominant upon that person. He is more keen of performing Salah, especially in Nawafil. As it's mentioned in the Hadith that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, is Hadith Qudsi, that Allah Ta'ala says that a person is getting closer and closer to me after fulfilling the fara'id. By Nawafil, through Nawafil, he gets close to me. He gets close to me so much that I become his hand. So he holds with. I become his feet. He walks with. That means that my power. I give him my power. My power means that he is now. Whatever he does through the power which is given by me. That is the power of Nawafil. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, though the one who is from the people of Salah, he will be called from the door of Salah. And Farmaya, وَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْ أَهْلِ الْجِهَادِ, after fulfilling all fara'id, the one who will be from the people of Jihad, always is ready for Jihad in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal, he will be called from the door of Jihad. وَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْ أَهْلِ الصَّدَقَةِ, the one who will be from the people of Sadaqah, always giving Sadaqah, charity in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal. As it is mentioned in Hadith that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ma naqasa malu abdin min sadaqah, the wealth does not decrease by sadaqah. His wealth will increase. You spend in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal, your wealth will increase. Allah will multiply. So that person who is always donating in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, always spend in the court of Allah, in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal, he will be called from the people of Sadaqah. And وَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْ أَهْلِ الصِّيَامِ, the one who will be from the people of Siyam, fasting. Like after fulfilling Farad fasting, he is always fasting Nawafil. he is fasting Mondays, he is fasting Thursdays, he is fasting 3 days of month, Ayam Bayd, 13, 14, 15 of every Islamic month, or any opportunity of fasting. So the one who will be from the people of fasting, he will be called from Babir Riyan. There is a door, this is called Babur Riyan. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said only fasting people will enter from that door. After listening all this conversation, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the best of people after the prophets and Rasul, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Afdal Bashar Ba'd al-Anbiya wal Mursaleen, he questioned, Ya Rasulullah, ma ala min du'iya min tilka abwab min zaruratin. There is no need to call or being called from each and every door, because if someone is called from the door of any, from the door of Salah, that is enough for him to enter Jannah. That's enough for him, he got everything, and there is no need to be called from every door. But is there anyone who will, are there any people who will be called from every door, and the people of every door wanted to welcome him from every door? So Hazur alayhi salatu wasalam said, Naam, in my ummah there are some people who will be called from every door. Wa arju an takuna minhum, and I hope that you're going to be from one of them. In Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, his excellence Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned that you will be called from each and every door of Jannah. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq will be called from the door of Salah, from the door of Siyam, from the door of Sadaqah, from the door of Jihad, from the door of fasting. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So what we need to do, we need to choose one thing from, obviously after fulfilling everything, fulfilling fara'id of Salah, fulfilling the fard sadaqah, which is zakat. So we need to choose one thing from these things, and I think we should choose the sadaqah. And this is the month of sadaqah. Ramadan is the month of sadaqah. If you give sadaqah, then your reward will be multiplied by 70 and even more. And inshallah our wealth will not decrease by giving sadaqah. And especially this is the month normally people they give their zakat, and zakat is also first sadaqah, and we should give some nafal sadaqah as well. We should feed people who can't even afford the meal of one day. May Allah as well give us ability to act upon whatever we have heard today. Dua pad lete hain. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sam'i, Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sam'i, Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sam'i, Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam.
आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है।